Picture this, you're sipping coffee at home, phone in hand, and your bank account's growing, $25 to $35 an hour, just for chatting online. Too good to be true? Welcome to Easy Sell, and today I'm diving into Social Sale Rep, a system promising you paid remote work as a live chat assistant. But here's the kicker, is it the real deal? Or just another online trap? Stick with me, because in 5 minutes, you'll know if this is your ticket to freedom or a waste of time. Let's face it, most work-from-home gigs sound amazing until you're stuck in a scam, wasting hours, or worse, your hard-earned cash. I've been there, chasing promises of easy money only to hit dead ends. Social Sale Rep claims you can skip the grind and jump into high-paying chat jobs, no experience needed. But with so many fakes out there, I had to ask, can you really trust this? Or are you setting yourself up for heartbreak? The upside? It's beginner-friendly, training simple, and the job database is packed with opportunities. Take Jake, a 29-year-old from Florida. He went from retail burnout to $1,200 a month in weeks just by following their steps. The downside, it's not instant cash. You've got to apply and land the gigs yourself. But here's the thrill. Once you're in, you're earning on your terms. This is freedom, not a fairy tale. Hold up, did you just think, I can't type fast enough? Relax, if you can text your friends, you're already qualified. But here's the million-dollar question. Is Social Sale Rep worth your time right now? One final twist could change everything. Don't blink. Verdict time. Social Sale Rep gets my green light, 8 out of 10. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a solid launchpad to remote cash. You're not buying a job. You're buying access to training and a job board that works. I've seen it pay off. And it can for you too. This is your shot to ditch the 9-to-5 and make money, yo. Starting today. Clock's ticking, though. These jobs don't wait. Someone's snapping them up while you're watching. Don't let fear hold you back. Grab this chance before it's gone. Ready to jump in? Click the link in the description to check out Social Sale Rep. Start earning from home now. And before you go, hit that end screen for my turn Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube into your money machine. This is Easy Sell. Let's make money easy. See you in the next one.